easily.
So you got over there. Good thing it's going to fall forward. They don't even do a spring. They just have a
Are you ready?
static.
Stand by! .58. You'd have been in the teens if you. Gunner's clear!
Hey, that's the reshoot.
I don't think so.
Holy crap.
So that's how you pull the trigger.
Holy cow.
You're supposed to give it to him.
No, he did the last one. My turn.
Hey, call for calibration on that steel.
I need your calibration. you hit it where it should be headed. It will go over. Trust me.
I get any pellets on that one at all?
A few, not very many. The other ones you hit pretty solid.
Wet. It's like I'm good. Nope.
Okay, John on the trigger, Jason on deck.
That was a cycle. That's all that matters.
That last one is pretty stiff.
That's right. No, that one went down right away. You would have
Oil form.
cleaned one.
No, I cleaned it.
Yep.
That's ready.